Hi officers, you guys have requested that I show you defense against knife attacks. I'll show you 3 basic ones that are probably the fastest, most efficient. There are more, but these are the 3 I want you to practice on. Number 1, when they come up with an uppercut, cross block here. Bring it here so that your elbow locks that knife. From here, take this hand and bring him down. Bring him down here. Now remember, if this is a double-bladed sword, you don't want to grab the knife this way, but take the sides of the blade with your hand and press this way, and you have the knife. When they come up to the top and try to stab you, cross block here. Bring it out here with your body, press down, and bring this arm back. When it's here, again, take your hand and pull this way, and then you have the knife. Now if they come lunge from the side, come here, give them an elbow, straight to the body. If you want to do one of these to the groin, it's okay. Remember, it's your life. One more time. Strike, hit to the center of the body. Bring them down again. And from this position, take the knife. Practice those and stay safe.